Acadiana 2020 is next week, y'all. Monday. Is everybody ready? Oh, meet Crown Blondie. Boom! Concert last week. Epic. It was great. Look for more. But what do we have? Corvette. Brought in, coded by someone else, and a crap job was done. He got scammed. Who knows what they did to it? He brought it to me. I'm number one. Fixed him up. Powered by Ceramic Pro for a reason, because I'm doing it right, guys. Always know you get what you pay for. If somebody discounts another guy's work, just trying to undercut him to save you a couple $100, I'd stay away from them, because they're gonna undercut work done on the vehicle as well. Looks good. We did some correction work to it. Gotta do more. But he needed his car back. Gave it back to him next year. Got you taken care of, Mr. Gary. I will announce, though, that I will not do an annual inspection on a vehicle that I did not coat, because if I find a problem, I am going to recoat the whole thing. It's gonna be redone.